Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to go to your history on YouTube Music. So for some reason, they like to show everything but the history. So let's say you listen to a couple of bangers, right? And you're like, man, I wish I could listen to Britney Spears because that played earlier. But next thing you know, you're like, wait a second. If you go in the top right here on your profile picture on the right here, if you tap on the picture and then you go down to history, it's going to show all the songs you listened to previously right here. There you go. So now you can go back to your YouTube history from today, yesterday, the day before yesterday, the day before yesterday, and then the other day, the last 2 weeks, but the other day, another day. Someone's robbing us right now. Hold on one second. Sorry, nah, but yeah, so basically all of the history is here, which is pretty fire. So yeah, that's how you look at your YouTube history. And if you want any other tips and tricks, please let me know. And if you haven't seen my video yet, I'm going to show you another cool application called YouTube. Wait, whoa. Stop it. No, all right, y'all didn't hear that. Y'all didn't hear it. No. Anyway, all right, peep game this. So this right here is YouTube Music Desktop, where it has a lot of different plugins you can check out, which is pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? Definitely check it out. But here's all the YouTube music. It's just in a desktop form. You can look at the different discography for different artists. You know what I'm saying? You can go to the album, click on it, listen to it. You know, it also has YouTube ads. You know what I'm saying, which is great. You know, and a lot of different plugins. You know what I'm saying. But yeah, definitely check it out. You know, I have a YouTube video. I'm putting a link in the description below. You already know what it is. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.